Today I'm going to be discussing the convenience of setting up your own personalized parameter profile. This parameter profiles can be found in the top right corner of the Repetrel user interface, the fourth tab over. Over here you can alter all different types of default settings. Change what type of head number you're using, head type, which yoke you want to be serving for. This just gives the printer a preeminent knowledge of what's happening to it. What settings do you want already uploaded? If you want to change anything, let's say I wanted Z down to be 0.101 instead of 0.001, update that, hit save. Now I can change to wherever it is, come back. That 0.101 is the new default. If you don't understand any of these individual parameters, you can hover your mouse right over the little editing section, editing tab, and it'll give you a short explanation. Let's say I wanted to work just outside of this. These aren't enough things for me to change. Well, that's great. We can do that. Come down here even below it. Say we're working with scaffolds. I can create. Let's just start with a scaffold right now. 5.5. 0.5. Preview pops up in the far right corner. I want it to be a closed circle. I want it dead center. Make 3 copies. Boom. Okay, well I don't have to do that every single time. So instead now, I can just come up here to my parameter profile, rename this to say closed circles small. Hit save. Now it's a completely separate default parameter profile that you can put onto. This one is back to normal. It doesn't have anything uploaded for the scaffold, but if you hit save on the side piece, you can go right here and it has this ulterior setup for your scaffolding already there and convenient for you to use over and over and over again if you want. If you like this setup or if you want to change it at all, we can change it again, move it over a bit, click save, you changed it. And that's how parameter profiles work. Hope this has helped.